Hey JD and FIA, I'm going to show you a chord progression to modulate from the key of the C up to the key of D flat. All right. I have been showing a series of videos on this same progression in several different keys. You can check out the playlist for that to see in other keys. All right, so we're taking the song, How Great Is Our God. All right, we're ending the song, ending the verse, and we're going to modulate up a half step. So we have that 4 of C, all right, the 5 of C, and then the key change right here. And then we're in the key of D flat, all right? So those chords. All right, so the first chord, we're going to go to the sharp 5 of the key of C. All right, so we're coming out the 4 of C, all right, the F major, and then we're gonna come to the 5 of C, all right, and then we got the key change. So our first chord of the key change, we're gonna go to the sharp 5 of C, which is gonna be A flat. All right, if you take the C major scale, we'll come here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sharp 5, all right, A flat. Also, you can look at it, you can also look at it as the 5 of the new key that you're going to. The new key that we're going to modulate to is D flat. All right, so A flat. It's the 5 in D flat. All right, so our first chord is going to be built off A flat. So we're going to have A flat and A flat in our left hand. Right hand, we're going to go up a tritone from A flat, which is going to be 3 whole steps. 1, 2, 3. All right, and we're going to build a diminished 7 chord off that note. So we got a D diminished 7 with an A flat in our left hand. So that overall gives us an A flat diminished 7 chord. All right, so left hand, A flat, right hand, D, F, A flat, B. All right, that's our first chord. All right. Second chord, we're gonna go up a half step on our left hand, all right, to the A here. The A is the 6 in the key of C. All right, and in the right hand, we're gonna play this, whatever is in our left hand, which is A, we're gonna play it as a minor 7 chord. So that voicing, I have left hand, A, right hand, E, G, A, C. All right, so the movement, very simple. All right, next chord, I'm going to go to the 1 of the new key that I'm going to. All right, I'm going to the key of D flat. That's the whole purpose of the progression. So I'm going to go to D flat in my left hand. All right, I can come up if I want to, but I like it when I come down to add that lower D flat there. All right, my right hand, I'm going to take the note that was on C, the top note of the chord, and I'm going to bring it up to D flat. All right, and it's going to give me an A7 chord over C sharp. All right, left hand, or D flat, sorry. Left hand, D flat, right hand, E, G, A, D flat. All right, so we have, all right. When we get to this D flat, all right, now we can look at it as the 1, all right, because we're going to D flat, so that's the 1. So now I'm going to play a 2, 3, 4, 5 chord progression, all right, in the key of D flat. So my 2 is going to be E flat minor 7 chord, all right. Left hand, I do it up here, E flat, B flat, and just know that you can add the octave if you want to, all right. So I have E flat, B flat, right hand I have D flat, G flat, all right. So up to there we have, all right, that's our 2, 3 chord. It's gonna be a F minor 7. Left hand, F, C. Right hand, E flat, A flat. All right, next chord is gonna be G flat major 7. Left hand, G flat, D flat. Right hand, F, B flat. Next chord is going to be an A flat 7 chord. Left hand, A flat, E flat. This is our 5 chord. All right. G flat, A flat, C. All right. So we have 2, D flat minor 7. I'm sorry, E flat minor 7. 3, F minor 7. 4, G flat major 7, 5, A flat 7. All right, when we get to that 5, that's gonna set us up to go to our 5-1 chord progression. All right, so the 1 I'm playing D flat, A flat, right hand, D flat, E flat, F, A flat. All right, so the whole thing we have we're coming out the 4 of C, 5 of C, and then a key change. I do it slow. All right, so very simple. All right, just take it slow. Get it in your fingers. Boom, boom. I like to bring it down there instead. Mine would sound like this. All right, so however you want to do it is fine. But yeah, this is the chord progression to go from the key of C to the key of D flat. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.